those amazing paper style animations taking over YouTube? Some of these videos are getting millions of views and creators are earning thousands of dollars from them. The best part? You don't need to be an artist and you don't need expensive software. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these eye-catching animations for free using just 2 simple AI prompts. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also show you how to turn your image into an animated video in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Chat GPT, then paste in the prompt I've linked in the description. Don't worry about copying it right now. You can grab it after you finish watching the video. Chat GPT will generate a detailed image prompt that we'll use to create our paper style scene. Once the prompt is ready, copy it and open Gemini AI in a new browser tab. Paste the prompt into Gemini and generate your image. Say if you're happy with the result, simply download it. If not, make a few adjustments until it looks exactly the way you want. Next, open Google Flow. At the moment, Google Flow allows up to 3 free video generations each day, making it a great option if you're just getting started. Upload the image you downloaded from Gemini. Now head back to the same ChatGPT conversation and paste in the second prompt, which is also linked in the description. ChatGPT will generate a video animation prompt specifically designed for your paper style image. Copy that prompt and paste it into Google Flow, then generate your video. And just like that, your static paper artwork comes to life. Here's the result I got. It's honestly amazing how far AI has come. With only a couple of prompts, you can create animations that look like they took hours to make. Want to see how easy it is to create another stunning paper style animation? Let's make a completely different scene from scratch. Head back to ChatGPT and copy the same prompt we used to generate our first image. This time, we'll make a small change to create something entirely new. Instead of the previous scene, let's generate a beautiful paper style anime girl walking through a charming town filled with colorful buildings, flowers, and cozy streets. Once ChatGPT generates the image prompt, copy it and head over to Gemini AI. Paste the prompt and let Gemini create the artwork. In just a few seconds, you'll have a detailed paper style image ready to use. This is the result Gemini created, and it looks amazing. Go ahead and download the image. Next, return to ChatGPT and paste our animation prompt. We'll tweak it slightly so it matches the anime girl and the beautiful town scene, instructing the AI exactly how the paper pieces should assemble and how the character should come to life. Now drag and drop the image into Google Flow. Once the video prompt is generated, copy it and paste it into Google Flow. After a short render, your paper style animation is ready. And just like that, using the exact same workflow with only a few prompt changes, you've created an entirely new animation. If you're working on a budget, edit your video in CapCut, which is completely free to download, trim unnecessary sections, speed up the workflow where needed, add background music, captions, and make the final video match your own style. If you'd like to include a professional voiceover, 11 Labs offers a great selection of realistic AI voices, including free options to help bring your videos to life. That's all there is to it. Imagine how many unique videos you could make by simply changing the subject, location, or art style. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials, and leave a comment letting me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.